again. Over here, please. 1, 2, 3.
Mr. Officer, still living like that. Extraordinary, just like a strawberry, money to burn.
Then me never been asleep, Papa.
Jenny, why you look like a man you are keeping on my church, so Jenny?
Which man, Papa?
Jenny, why you look?
Sit down, Papa, man. You're too miserable. Sure.
You give me a cue a bad boy there. Got bell check yourself.
Hey, Papa. You better hear the news. Them one raise the price around by 10%.
How much man? Percent? So my name, when they never just put money on done.
Jesus Christ, Paco. I bet know you don't, but I never know say them back. Them going convert the percentage to money, Paco.
Convert?
Yes.
Jenny, you know all them convert business there. It's just to rob poor people.
Actually.
You sit around with you know. You give me a little more rum on this then. I'll do a bad one. Yeah, give me to a bad cigarette.
And we are going in a Paco.
Not paying a whole heap of money.
Yeah, all man in a Paco. A full time now for you stop smoke, man. Every day you come in here doing smoke and drink and smoke and drink.
Jenny, give me this. I don't know you can check.
Mr. Bombastic. What you want is a bombastic, romantic, fantastic lover. Shaggy. Mr. Lover. Now Mr. Lover. Girl. Mr. Lover. Now Mr. Lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Romantic, call me fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Smooth, just like a silk, soft and
Good
cuddly.
morning, sir. How may I assist you?
Let me have a cold, soft drink.
Cool what? Drink something hard, man.
Paco!
I don't drink, sir.
Then we That is what you're going to do with the soft drink. Eat it. Yeah, why? Hey, my name is Paco. And yours?
Name's Webb. Dick Webb.
Dick. That Dick is a funny name, no boy. You look like a shark. No. I mean a small one. No, I mean a size, man. I mean a size, my friend.
Look, sir. I have a lot on my mind right now, and furthermore, I'm not in a talking mode.
Yeah, no?
What could this country bunk and come on twang power with you? You can bet it's robbing man somebody around come down here. What? You look like a thief.
Yeah, that's it, Paco, man. I'm going to
Myself. If me can never go dash you see a powder in her face. Jenny, me want a little more. Me
behave yourself, Paco, man. Time me here for fighting and this.
Leg off. Me not trouble him, Jenny. Leg off for me, no man.
Easy as
That's
that,
why
Paco, man.
dumping teeth down in throat.
What's it done, Paco?
Then you're my rude to me.
And leave the gentleman alone.
A shoes. Say, you try wait till all my friend come. You try wait till all my...
Behave yourself, no, Paco.
You tell her to move
Behave
here.
yourself, man.
Get up, man. High class. Donald Trump. Hey, Jenny. You give me a drink of the good stuff there. Fill me up. Jenny, find you, man. Jenny. Go and go serve me. You give me a drink of the good stuff.
I want more than you want on that tailor.
I want the good stuff, man. Something to warm the blood. This is coming like a water to me, you know. Tailor warm to me. Yeah. You give Paco something too. The good stuff, Jen. The overproof, man. Yes, man. I give you quarter dozen of the cheap cigarette there. Yes, the cheap one.
Then Paco. I never you been saying her to like the old cheap cigarette.
You get shots of Jenny, man. You get shots of cheap one, give Jenny. Me a cigarette, man. Give me money. I give you one of the dear one, them too. Hey, Stella, I tell you, you know. I don't do like take things, man, you know. That's what man nowadays. Cannot be trusted, you know. Yeah. I say take it to friend, then they want something back in return. Yes, I don't know any tell. Something like what, Paco? Something like what? You see your bloody face. So man,
Look, sir! Just give me a break!
don't give him a break! You never want gas pedal and clutch too. Gas pedal and clutch. We do one round.
See you around.
Big gun. Funny boy. Hey. Jenny, you can't get more rum. Hey, Tia. You know that boy don't straight. Then is how you know that Paco. See, no, see, the man operate like a woman.
Well, Paco, is you fin know that? Remember the fish of a scale swam together. Yes, swam.
Then you shut up your mouth, you know. Can you don't know if you're a man or a woman, you know.
But you look like you want to find out.
Yes, Jenny. Galang feed. Hey, galang feed, Jenny. Yes, Jenny. We're right, Jenny. Let me go.
If you must have Paco friend, he can't handle the ride.
Paco, you know, yeah, try ride big bike, you know. You see how she did that talk, you see? If I go on there with her, you know, she quiet as a lamb, you know. I tell her, man. I tell her. Man. Quiet in big. You don't know that, man. Hey, Paco. She wouldn't even feel a thing.
When Taylor, if he can't wear something in myself, off he go.
Whoa! Paco. Something sweet. What am I doing tomorrow? Anyway. Paco. You can't judge a book by the cover, you know. That book was wide open. You read the pages, you know. Yeah. Then you're full of argument, they do a Paco.
Yeah, argument he have. So what's some mouth?
All the years she a chat to you. Hey. 9 months later, she ever give me a chance. Belly big and puff up. I tell her, pick the ball, jump like a me.
So what's about your Paco? So what's
Remix! Mr. Flavor, Body Dancehall, and a shovel mix. You know, when you go continue after I go on, don't please the body, all the guests. Yeah, get up there. Hey.
Paco just say, if you give me chance 9 months later, and since a Paco I do it, it would have take all 2 months. Got big and bang like a bang belly fish. Bikini barn, junk like a bat.
How go Morty having no Taylor?
Taylor. Oh, that go well. She say a mouth alone you got Paco. God no give you no gift. Ongo mouth.
Yes, Taylor.
And that she say,
What
she say you little boy you can't do a thing. And that she say,
Well, Taylor,
you da shame.
me need to mention that. Leave that alone.
You should have grown there.
Well, you got to do something, bro.
Do something. Do something, Paco. Something like our Paco.
You want me to show you?
How are you going? What? Paco, you wear teeth like...
I'm going to show you.
Jenny, I don't like the police business, you know. You get to the bar.
Go ahead, me not Taylor.
Help you do what? If the current guy let you shoot me.
Like in English?
Keep on back.
Hey, let me go. But give me the cup. I'll kill you.
Jenny.
Hey,
You don't need my shit in my bar.
anyway, you see your boy Paco? It's alright. You know, say the price of rum. Government boy. The price of rum going up next week.
Sure, still news. You're late, man.
Better late than never.
Better never late.
Never. Say never.
Never ever not. Say ever never.
What? But that don't make no sense, Paco, man. And you make up the one there, man. That don't make no sense at all, man.
You understand that make Taylor?
Hey, Taylor, what in this world make any sense? See? It makes sense if government raise the charges.
The prime
Things
minister
where them fear do,
like
you know.
them for poor people.
Yeah, if it's true. And you know, thing where them fear do, they not do it. Oh no, what this world coming to you?
A wreck.
You're bloody right.
Yeah. High clap.
You're not jump. You look like you do something to me.
Magnified glass then. Magnified. Magnified.
Excuse me. Good morning, sir. I'm looking for a man.
When I find him there.
No, sorry. No. See, the man I'm looking for is, hold on, let me think about it. The man I'm looking for is,
No, me, I look for my...
quiet, sir, quiet. The man I'm looking for is, is a murder suspect. Yes.
No, no, wait. That's all. I think that's your man over there, man.
Sorry, sir.
I think that's
Sorry.
Wait.
I should have introduced
No,
myself.
man. Me not no murder.
No. Let me tell you something. See, my name is John Adams. Yes, and I'm from the CIB headquarters. Here you go, sir. Yes.
I see ID, man.
So,
CID.
What CID Taylor?
He name Paco. A Paco he name.
This, Miss Madam Joan.
now tell me something. Wait, sir. Has anyone seen a strange character around here recently?
Yes, Taylor. And him born here.
this middle-aged man come around here not so long ago, eh?
Really?
Yes.
Describe them.
Them, in tall, in the
But he
tall.
kind of short with it.
Yes, in the little short too.
Yeah.
And he look brownish to me.
But he may look kind of black to me.
Yes, in the black too.
Oh yes,
And he
yes.
kiss so.
Hello. Yes. That's them. That's them. Yes, that's them. Okay. All right. Bye bye. Ta ta. Yes. Oh yes.
Well,
Hey,
Jenny,
Tia.
poor me, man. I want
No,
to
that
straight,
boy
no
was
water
a
pan.
thief, you know. No, he was a thief, man.
Not a thief, Paco. A murder suspect.
Freeze! Police!
Sierra, me a tailor.
My head, hold on.
Then I will see they freeze with for. Eh?
Tell me something. Has anyone seen my shadow? Huh?
You know it, man. I feel me shadow that.
Hey, chew me a piece with myself. I'm here alone against the whole of them. I tell me, say me mad. But them men move within yourself. It's at the better. And the best way to chat to Father God. Hey, and when me laugh up with myself, the hypocrites them all a talk about say me don't got no sense. But me not stop laugh off of them. Cause me know say me magnificent. Me have to really consider how them people are done. Morning, noon and night, I me name them and them. It full them belly, quench them thirst like tongue. A serious thing, stop me laughing, no man. You know, see the world love the madman.
Is what they go on here, Jenny.
Bye-bye.
Hey.
And now what kind of monstrosity this in my bar?
You know,
No, that boy was a thief, you know, Taylor. Tell you, you know, man.
not a thief, Paco. I'm a murder suspect. Jenny,
Yes.
put some of the good stuff in it. It look like you water though. Don't you want no water in it?
No water tailor, me know your style.
Yeah,
You know, to me, you look like a scammer, though.
not a scammer, Paco. A murder
Suspect.
Maybe.
eh?
Maybe, you know, Taylor.
Maybe what?
See that tailor?
But as I said, you know, saying gonna come back. Because I look for somebody. So guess what got me now?
What?
You see, when he come back,
Eh.
as me did tell you already, when he come back, you have to do something. I mean, I time up this strip, you know.
We Paco.
You can't stand there. You can't stand there.
Me figure run the Paco, you mad? Me figure run down man in a fimmy.
For your whole age.
You Jenny, no call me so you hurt me heart.
Sorry, tailor.
In a fimmy big age, you expect me to be a girl up a come and like me a run down jackass?
Taylor,
Eh?
you know you're a coward, do Taylor.
Coward man. Keep See your bone Paco.
Same Satya.
Yes.
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 He that he loveth his life shall surely loses it.
Fools try to be angels fear.
I fool you call me. Paco! I fool you call me.
Paco, me heart. Me heart, Paco. Let go me rum. Let go me rum, Paco. You're too gravalicious, man. Come here like some bang belly kid, poor kid. Yes, God. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for the rum. It's the only thing that keep me going.
Paco coward.
It's what that? I want that Paco.
Clappers. We done now.
But the man not hearing yet.
I don't know the table, Taylor.
But it's so serious, man. I didn't look up in the Which one? No, Jenny.
You lost something, Dickie?
Me?
Well,
No.
it look like you come to buy another soft drink. Give Dickie another soft drink. What? We all know we are easy old fella.
Paco.
Quiet, make us speak, man. As I was saying,
Woman.
well,
Why? Sorry, I'm a tea.
so you don't be brushing. Well, the answer
I have something to tell you. Come we go round and back.
No, not no, Jen. Wait, no man, I addressing this gentleman. That don't touch me up, no man. You know, since I be back now up to it right now. As I was saying,
Why? Paco, it's important to know how we grow on at the back, man.
Yes, Paco.
alright, me a go come. Give up my brand suit Louis V. What you do?
Louis V.
Don't go away now, Mr. Webb. Me soon come back to you.
Yes, I have something
No,
to tell Paco.
Taylor, you have to stay. I can't.
No, Jenny. No.
Sir. Mr. Taylor. Yes, sir. Thank you, Jesus, me heart. How long have you been living here?
Well, I'm born here, sir. And I've been living here ever since, sir.
So, do you intend to die here? What is going on here, Mr. Taylor?
Look, sir. I don't know you. I don't want anything you want in the bar, sir. It's Teki and Gala. Sir.
Okay. Let me be straight with you. My name is not Dick Webb. My name is Dick Jones. Webb is just a pet name.
No, you shouldn't be telling me all this. You know Mr. Dick Webb Jones, sir.
Mr. Taylor.
Yeah?
I have to tell somebody. And Mr. Taylor,
Yeah?
you seem like a man I can trust.
Me, sir? No, sir. I am not the man to be trusted. I am more the type of fella you pay for with cash. Yes.
That's true.
Yes. But here's a police station miles down the road. Yes, sir. For them job is to serve, protect, and to reassure. So I would have said you go lick them.
You know, Mr. Taylor,
Yeah?
if I should be honest with you, this is my 3rd year in this drama.
My God! Merciful Father! Cover your son, Jesus!
Take me to the king.
Yes, Lord!
Don't have much to give.
Yes, Lord! Help me, Jesus! Pray to God! Pray to God! Pray to God!
Gaze upon your glory, mercy to the sun. Please take me to the King. I'm tired. Of you. I'm trying to pray.
Yes, Lord! Yes!
Where are you? I'm all church now.
Can him do a same one?
You know, your Jenny, so she vanish. You never watch it. In Ninja show them and see when they make up the powder, does them.
What you do with Jenny? What am I do with Jenny? Let me go. Hey, Jenny, I need you. You vanish me and then you come back. Jenny, come back.
In a one, whole a one.
Yes. Lord. Hey, the woman is not the ghost, you know, Paco.
We know that, man. The idea said the woman have certain powers, though.
You know, say to be truthful. That the woman they strike me as mad, he mad like a shot.
Mad with two Taylor. She have too much Taylor. The woman is not no man, woman. The woman is a detective. She have to disguise herself to carry out certain work. You don't know that? You don't know that she acting?
Well, if a hack, she dey hack. She really can hack.
Hey, that's the idea.
She make the prime minister look like he name and they try when he come the pod. You Jamaicans people the fit turn down the yard. you remember? Hey, that the man they can fling a keys.
He can't hack, man. Hollywood now miss him later.
That's the idea,
Why you know I like him?
Taylor. If you ask something, you have to act it so people can believe say you do it for true.
So what you think, Jenny?
I don't know no Taylor. You have a point.
Yes.
But Paco have a point too.
A point? It's a rotted pen slab.
In way happens.
So Jenny.
Paco, you a big man.
Jenny.
You can go a woodland. But you put a after it. You a big man. Go you happy.
So Taylor. You don't feel that man Webb is the killer?
Well, he says so, but I don't know.
He says so when?
When me and him out here, the reason.
You know you feel make him man gone. No, you feel make him man.
You expect me to hold on for a man who kill people? It no me ever kill me too. Jenny.
You know say it's a poor excuse though, Taylor.
Paco.
You know it's weird God be a same time and girl you break though.
Paco.
You could carry the man in no Taylor. You could carry the man and get a little job change. But no, you make the man gone. You know say that's the reason why you can't get me pregnant though.
Paco.
Yes man, Father God know why you see contaminate the earth.
Go look for him now, Paco. Go look for him, man. You go along like him and disappear. He no gone nowhere. Go look for him.
Wait, them man Taylor. You hear what I'm saying, kill man?
Yes, Jenny.
You sure?
Then I hear the man say yes, Jenny.
Me not believe that.
So you're picking up for the murderer.
Webb don't look like no murderer to me.
Well, Jenny, looks are deceiving.
Taylor, maybe him a tell a lie.
Jesus.
Jenny, you idiot, Jenny.
No, Taylor.
Which man I got tell lie on this?
Yes, and I lie like that too. I tell you, no, Jenny. Taylor, man, this will take a look at the rubber and fire, you know.
Who is saying killing?
That's not important, you know. The important thing is, the man kill already, and he gon' kill again. So we have to do something before we catch one of we.
You know?
We? Just stay there. You might have find your mother next. Me mother!
Jenny, let me the machine.
No, the machine playing your Taylor. No, una go so down, make Paco turn in and no murder and no idiot Taylor.
Jenny, the man dangerous, Jenny.
No, Taylor, no, una go so Taylor.
Jenny, the man kill already. He may want kill again. I want
See the machine there. See me have the machine. Come,
Don't go with Paco Taylor.
Jenny.
Can right. Don't.
Jenny, we're going to try to bring him in alive. You hear me, Jenny?
are dead. And that is dead or alive, you know. So Taylor, no man, Jenny, Jenny, Jenny.
You better mind how you find that, you know.
Remember Jenny and ninjutsu, you know, Paco.
I will karate kick you in the Paco.
Hey.
Don't go with him, Taylor.
Alright, Jenny. Alright, Paco.
Taylor.
You just left up this place.
Me know what?
Don't go now, Taylor.
What me say? Go so.
Ninja kick you in the Paco. I will murder you in the Paco. Taylor.
Taylor, come round there, son of man.
Me let the waters.
Come on. You're gonna get down and give me.
Paco, me no good dog, you know, Paco.
No, soldier, don't get weak. You're gonna go down. You're gonna push up. You have to be strong. Remember, we're on a mission, okay? We're gonna get down and give me 10, 20.
Go down, no Taylor.
And that's too much money, she want 10, 20. Me not have too much money.
Soldier! Don't be stupid! Get down! Give me 10! Give me 20! Get down! Up, down! Up, down! Up, down! Up, down! Up, down! Up, down! Soldier, you are weak! Get up, soldier! I'm disappointed. Soldier, fall into place. Up, soldier, you're weak. You have to be strong. We're on a mission, soldier, remember.
We have a mission.
All right. Step to the suspect.
Boy.
Oh, soldiers, listen up carefully, okay? I'm gonna give you your ranks individually. Oh, ranks. Yes, and guess what? I have uniforms. Uniforms? Yes. Okay.
Yeah, go back to school.
Soldier uniform. I'm gonna pronounce you.
Pronounce? No, you can't. You can't pronounce me and you Paco. That's against the Bible. Pronounce you to Paco.
Soldier! Stand straight! I now pronounce you!
You are shut! You are pronounce me to Paco, no! Me no want Paco!
I'm tired! I'm weak! Soldier! I pronounce you dignitary! Extraordinary!
Dignitary Paco, I extra hot. I mean that.
Lieutenant! Marshal! SDC!
They don't want so much something. Shut your mouth, Paco. Give me that.
Wait! Soldier! Stand straight! I now prescribe you!
Prescribe up the minute. Shut your mouth. You hear me, SDC, Paco. Behave yourself, Paco.
Attention! I prescribe you!
Shut your mouth and take a section. Take it, Paco. Tell him I prescribe him, ma. Him little bit.
PhD, SDC, MGF, Principal. Commander! After 3, wait, let me get your uniforms.
We get you. Did he tell you, I see or something, you know? You don't want no work clothes when nobody wear them.
No! Soldier, wear your uniforms with pride, okay?
Paco,
Come on, soldiers! We're gonna catch the suspect, okay? After 3, march!
Caribbean girls running. And yes, gang.
Fully
True
done.
still a gang. Ratty gang.
Come say, come see for you. Man, make you miss the appointment. Give me love, but work for the work. Dance honey, this the whole place shake it, boom boom the gal. Baby, you want this? No, me don't spoil. Now girl, I feel the shit about the one. And if you get it, waiting on the yard. And you run the same thing, dog. I thought about gonna meet the girl watch and I live by my part. You so, and then up me for stop a video. She know me come and do it.
My type of music that you But you know me now ask Christ. I know I'm innocent.
Him come back with the same jacket.
Hello again.
Well,
Get up tight.
Sorry I startled you.
Look, I have something to ask. Oh, you go first.
No, you first.
You go first.
I insist. You first.
No, you first. Community, quick, quick, quick!
What? Why would anybody want to kill me?
Don't try to hide it, Webb. The lady tell us.
Which lady?
Joan Senting.
Joan? Where is she?
If you don't leave soon, where you are going dead?
I don't understand this. Why would anybody want to kill me?
Cause of what them say you do.
What?
Yeah, murder suspect.
Nobody try hide it when me tell her the lady tell us.
Which lady?
I'm say Joan Senting.
Where is she?
I don't know. If you not leave now, I know they are got dead.
Seriously? Look, I know what I did. And I'm really sorry I done it. If I could live my life over, I wouldn't have done it. You have got to tell me this. Where is she?
Sarah! You sit down by your ears, them are sinting. Me say me, zout now.
Where is she?
Sarah! Me say me, no.
Talk! Talk! You... Oh God. Miss. I don't know what has gotten into me. I'm sorry, Miss Jenny. You know what? I'll just go.
Don't go away.
She like bad
Why?
boy.
You're safe for yourself.
I don't want to be safe. I want to find my wife.
Well, here says the best place for your son.
Look, after what I've done,
Yeah, Mr. Webb. You know, I kind of like them something there.
Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, yeah, ooh la la, ooh la la, yeah, ooh la la, ooh la la. Strangle me for tiny.
no.
No,
Stop,
no.
please don't.
You don't like it?
No. Yes, no. I am not here to fool around.
Oh, yes.
Furthermore, I'm searching for someone.
Well,
Find this
you don't
someone.
have to search any longer. You find me.
Ooh.
You bitch, you always believe I was innocent. But now I know you well I'm guilty.
Guilty of what?
Shut up!
Look, I know what I've done. And I'm really sorry. I
This a drink for tie up.
did it. If I could live my life over, I wouldn't have done it. My business was running down. I am a man. I have nature. What did you expect me to do?
Keep it in your pants, Mr. Dick.
Look, miss, as long as I live, I am going to do everything in my powers to make her happy.
Then why you tell me, sir?
Me a dead.
Then you just know that.
I always
Put
loved
him
her.
on him belly.
Why you tell me that for, sir? Eh?
Mercy! Mercy! You're fighting Jenny! Mercy!
No, Taylor.
You wait. We ain't make a call, Paco. Paco! We fighting Paco! Paco! We find him! Well, the DFE done!
Them?
If you think say you is a dragon, Paco,
Alright.
kick him back.
Taylor, man, you drop and done yourself, man. That's enough, man.
Mister, let me go. You see how Paco kick me in a bit.
Man, you drop Taylor.
Me never need to do.
That's enough, Paco. Taylor, you done been a beat the man whole night. Make we call the police now.
Not yet, Jen. Alright, alright. If you think that you is a beer, Paco, kick him again. Me know me a beer. Beer.
Who that say? Me?
No, people. Eh? A people. That's not important, Jenny. Eh?
Taylor, even if you need kill somebody, you not think of make the law.
The law deal with the backside. You know how much guilty man the law let go? We might have called him and all them do. He's let go the man. A man who that the man coming like a gunman to me. Me afraid.
Where is that?
The man go and die so. Me afraid.
Yeah, coward Taylor.
Jenny.
We fi call the police now, man. We not been a batter bruise the man all night.
No, Jen. Not yet, man. He deserves some more beating. Alright. You see if you think that you is if you think you is a rum. If you think you is a rum, Paco.
That not even make no sense, Taylor.
If Paco a rum, Paco kick him again. Rum a spirit, Jenny. A spirit. If you kick him now. Kick him. If I nearly go through in that door. Watch him.
Hold him, Taylor. We don't want to murder anybody in the bar, Taylor.
He might try escape.
Catch you
We don't want to murder nobody in the bar.
He might try escape.
This place is a bar, Paco. Not a slaughterhouse.
Well, if you're like Jenny, me and Taylor can take him outside me. Go kill him backside.
Kill what, Paco? You deserve more than anybody else.
Me, Jenny? You see me killing innocent people? Taylor, come make we carry the man go outside. Go kill him.
Go finish
Tell
him
you.
off.
Taylor,
Who don't the man
coming, Taylor? I think we should have called the police.
Yes, Paco.
Call the police.
Right.
You know how much police are criminal? We might have called them and them just let go the man as me tell you. It makes sense. You feel like murderer, like lock up murderer.
That's why they don't lock up you yet, Paco.
Paco a murderer.
That's right.
Hey,
With him out.
murderer with him boat. Pop. Watch him away with him man.
Leave him man alone, Paco. Put him down. Put him down.
Let go the man.
Mr. Phil, let him go.
Give the man to me.
Put him down, no, Paco.
Let go the man.
Let go the man.
Jenny.
Let go the man now, Paco.
Jenny.
Mr. Paco.
This man is my man. Let go the man.
Why you make him tumble down? Let go the man, Paco.
Jenny.
Paco.
Jenny.
Paco.
Don't make her get vexed.
Paco, this is foolishness. We'll be able like a son of a
I'm glad you know you behave like a little picnic.
Take it dead.
All I know we are going to do. We are going to spin one back to the
Yes.
Anybody win, take him.
I don't believe in gambling. I'm a man of God.
But Paco, that sound like a good suggestion to me.
You chat too much, man. Nobody asks you nothing.
See the buckle here. Anybody the pine land pan our nearest to, them win.
That sound good.
Yes.
All right, give me the back. Give me one.
We don't need we spin it.
Give Jenny back.
Paco.
Taylor man, I take off my wig. You spin it back to Paco, man.
Then Jenny and everybody say here you born with.
No, Taylor, I want wig.
You know what say yellow ear she have on first.
Yes. Me buy it.
Me think you just love crayon.
Gather round. This are the head, this are the back. Anywhere you go on, I win. Anywhere.
I don't say it where.
Which part of the head again?
Jesus Christ. Get it, Jenny.
The mud part
Jenny! Remember Pop?
Stop it.
You remember when you tell
Stop
Paco?
it, man, Taylor. You chat too much.
I win.
Taylor, take him on from Paco.
But Jenny, how me they do it, man? After me no, me no want no man, Jenny. But Jenny, me no want no man. How me they do it, man? How we Paco go with man?
Get closer with
Money head, money head.
He was running on.
Put on him, man, Paco.
Madam detective. Lucky nice card, man.
Set him down. Please.
Help me bring go over this, okay? Yeah, John go. John go over this.
Yes, Taylor.
Mister.
He's dead.
In the dead impossible.
Mr. Dick.
Imagine just think of God.
Mr. Bombastic.
So we not getting any reward.
Semi-fantastic. You touch me, oh.
What the? I'm
You're
white.
captured.
I'm white.
You're captured, killer.
I'm white.
No!
I am
The killer is caught. Who is Kim?
I am white.
He's insane, you know. Who is Kim? No! Shut up. The killer is caught here. Dead to the killer. Dead to the killer. He's caught. He's caught. Dead.
Are we killing any Paco? Are we?
Jenny and Ninja. Hey, boy! Stop, no, Jenny. Wait! Green! Paco, no, run back on me! Green, Jenny! Green, Jenny! You said green, Jenny! Oh, no. Follow me. Where you follow back on me, Paco?
Yes, peace! Peace! Peace, I say! Peace, you two! Okay. Okay. Madame, what manner of death do you think should be administered to this man?
I do believe this man for dead.
What? Those who in favor of this woman say aye.
Aye! You know, say Jenny, but you know, Paco.
So Taylor, you're fool, Taylor. You really let it go the murderer.
Man, I don't think say this man is guilty, man.
So who else could it be?
What murder? He? Paco? Who dead?
Yes. Is who dead, Miss Joan?
Yes. No. Eh? Who said anything about that? Come on now. I didn't say anything about that. Nobody is dead.
So what you man say that?
Yes, what you say?
I told you guys he was a murder suspect.
Who are the dead money?
Oh. Yes, that's me.
So you dead? Hey, I know we understand how she disappeared from the room. He back up. She's a dopey. She a dopey, Jenny.
The woman is not no dopey, Taylor. I tell you, no. The woman is a detective and we're not listening.
Yes. I'm here.
Who the fella you kill? That we want to know.
No, not kill. I said,
Suspect.
Allegedly.
So what you say? What you say? Tell me what
I
you
said
say.
he's a murder suspect.
Right.
Then who did me?
Did you know
You dead?
Yes. No. I don't know.
Kim.
Yes, you.
He kill you.
Yes, he killed me. Yes, you remember? You killed me.
murder.
You killed me once. You killed me twice. You killed me next to Jesus Christ.
You know she said not kill him, man.
You dead?
But what it?
Yes. No. I don't know.
This man I kill you?
Yes. No, I don't know. Yes.
So you been a tell lie all along then?
No. Yes. No.
Hey, this confusing he pack up. It's what I go on here so.
Shut them out, Taylor.
I want to go on here so pack up.
You don't look and learn, Taylor.
I looking but I not learn a thing.
What does that mean about surprise?
Now learn that thing.
You are here?
Yes. I'm here. Oh, sir. Where am I?
Rotted.
Oh, here is rotted.
Taylor, he look like how to tie up the wrong smaddy. He's the one that want chain up.
Oh, Jenny, no pack out tie up.
Mr. Webb. No, I mean, Johnny, the look good bartender.
My wife?
No! I'm your wife! I'm your wife!
You are my wife?
Yes!
Yeah, get born.
Jeez.
Then who is this?
I don't know.
What is? This a come in like a mills and bulls and
Dick Jones! You left me at that madhouse! You son of a... Girl dog, you! You left me! And you called me crazy! You wanted me to die, didn't you? You killed me! He killed me! He killed me!
I'm so sorry, dear.
I think her
Oh, my baby, he's sorry. You left me. And you call me crazy!
that Indo.
Yes, the doctors, the injections, the madness, they're all inside my head. Oh my God, am I madly?
Yes.
You broke my brain, you know, and you murdered my heart. And I want to know, am I mad?
Yeah.
It's the accident, sweetheart.
I want to go on here so pack up.
Shut them out, now, Taylor. You can't listen,
Fuck
man.
our own meds.
It's the
Please tell me they listen, but I hear a thing, you know, make no sense.
Yeah, right, Taylor. Me will explain later. Me are taking heavy things.
It's the accident, sweetheart.
Oh,
You are not really mad.
What do you mean, Riley?
Fuck what they give
Oh, darling, on my way to see you. Yes, on my way to see you. I lost control of the car. I felt it hit against the embankment. And before you knew it, my feet was in the air. My dress blew over my face. And my pretty underwear got exposed. Oh, yes. Okay. You should have been there to stop the boys from looking at me.
What a devilish sight that must have been! Hey, Jenny!
And then the hospital. The machines. Beep beep. 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 You were not going to let me die, Dick, were you? I ask you again. Were you going to let me die? Am I mad? Yeah. Dick, am I mad?
You want me answer?
Shut them up, Paco!
It's the accident.
Oh my God. Sir! Sir!
Me?
Yeah. Yes, sir. You see a man. Look, sir. Do I look mad?
She mad, Paco?
Now sit yourself, Taylor. You woman look like she last couple screw. Our man says something true.
Yes, mom. You mad like a shad. You last your screw then. Then Paco in here get so near.
Come, let's go there.
Me can't joke, Jenny.
I won't take you back to the asylum.
No! No! Not the madhouse! I'm not going back! Not the madhouse!
Go.
No!
No. Where's my shoes?
Empty bag.
I don't need to say with the shoes. Exactly. You see my take it
He no have it. He no have your shoes. And you are tell me boy how your shoes. Make me accuse this Paco saying how your shoes.
Talk true. Me no have it true. Me no have it true.
Show me Paco. Show me how your shoes. Me no have your shoes.
Come, let's go.
You don't know Paco where you dey clean Jenny floor fat. You don't know.
I mean see,
But Paco.
Paco tired of the gulash them.
Look at my Gucci. I see you around, guys.
Me know
Thanks,
say you need like you go lash Paco. And when the polish you look good, you know.
You look shine on your foot.
Hey, when me they go church and polish and shine up me go lash. And who hot like on me?
Thank you, Mr. Taylor.
Yes,
Thanks, Paco. And thank you, Miss Jenny.
You will come.
Let's go.
You know, since you have a wife.
Hey! Listen! You all be courteous around here, okay? Or I might just have to come back and impose a state of emergency.
Come.
Bye!
Thank you, Miss Jenny.
Bye-bye! Bye, sir.
Hey, Paco. We are still soldier.
you can't just leave some man. Jenny, give me some way. Another soft drink there. But Taylor Bill.
Yes, but he's alright. He went for the road. Jenny, I want so
Thank you again, Miss Jenny.
You will come.
You will.
Come, let's go.
Yes, sir, go on. Look here.
Happy couple.
You hearing me?
I'm begging you to refill me.
All right. You see Then look how we could have just kill where him at for no water.
You know, say, I saw you go out of the truth. Every day, innocent people just dead for nothing, man. Tell you what.
I not taking for me high, me go town, go do what?
That's why you have to take matters in your own hand, Taylor.
You hear that? You take it in your own hand. Give me, but
Me no do no pack up. But how you?
no, but I don't smoke. No, but around here.
Well, all I can say is, I'm glad this is all over.
Yeah, we get all the answer for you.
Hold on then. One more question I have for you. Then, is who really the murder suspect?
But Taylor will
We also want to big up Portmore Pines community. Alright, so we'll call out the cast members. Alafia Lynch, she plays Jenny. Make some noise for her. John Dennis plays Dick Webb. Kenisha Robinson plays Joe.
And last but not